Well, the season is here. It is almost Thanksgiving, so Leah and I are back on the lift making a little Thanksgiving craft for you guys.
Yes, we came up with something easy, doable, and fun to get us all in the festive spirit. Here is what we are after. We're doing some little paper towel, toilet paper holder turkeys that could be perfect for your table. Nothing too stressful, but I think now we have to get started, and looks like we're gonna have to divide and conquer.
So I'm gonna do painting duty, and Leah, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna start our feathering, and we'll make some beautiful feathers for our turkeys. Let's get to it.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
This is a nice, easy craft you can do while you're talking to whoever is in the kitchen. I usually get kicked off of some of the duties in the kitchen on Thanksgiving because I don't have as much urgency.
Leah, what's your least favorite kitchen task? Because I can tell you mine, the can opener. I hate it. In fact, I cut my hand making green bean casserole earlier this week.
That's a good one. I was gonna say dishes is like not my favorite.
Oh yeah.
Were you a turkey trot family?
We were more parade in the morning.
Yes.
Making the Thanksgiving Day dinner, and then the boys would watch football.
Okay.
Yeah.
And look at you painting away.
I know.
They're going so quick. So parents, find all the supplies and then let the kids go to it, because if we can do it,
yeah, anybody can do it. This is honestly therapeutic. I kind of
know.
miss craft time.
I don't know if I have the best, most professional technique. And then we need our little red piece.
Okay, there we go.
What is this called? Turkey Pros?
Just needs to.
This thing.
Oh, the. Yeah.
Gobble. Our wattles. Our wattles. Probably.
I might start with like 5.
Okay. I'm going snowstorms first.
Really?
I mean, they're not in a ranked order, but I just am going for some fun words.
I think I have to do this not to be annoying.
And do family and food and friends.
Maybe, okay, I'll start with something else.
No, you can do it. It's your turkey.
Okay, I'm not a long distance aunt anymore, so I get to go to all of the events, which is really fun. Well, what's yours?
Dance party.
Oh, yes,
I'm thankful for a dance party.
That's something I look forward to in the morning.
That's what we do every morning.
Coffee.
Coffee.
I don't think I could survive on the daily without my coffee. Look at that.
I did sunrises. That was my other one. I love all the colors, especially in the mornings.
I'm gonna write pumpkin pie.
Ah.
Right in the middle. Because I can't say turkey on my turkey.
Yeah.
A little feather in my turkey.
Turkeys don't have smiles, right? No, the beak is the mouth.
No, I think he looks scared because he's about to be eaten. So I think I'm gonna make scared eyes.
Scared eyes? Okay.
Okay, I tried to replicate. I feel like he looks scared.
Show me your scared turkey face. Oh yeah!
Oh, that's
good. Look at my guy. Oh, we lost the foot. Exactly.
After Thanksgiving, I'm looking forward to
the leftovers.
What would your turkey's name be?
Leonardo.
Ooh, I like that one.
What's your turkey's name?
I think it'd be Stanley.
Leonardo and Stanley. That's so cute. Well, we hope you make these crafts and you bring them to your holidays. If you do, we'd love to see a picture.
We would, and it's just a fun little reminder. It's a fun craft, and to kind of remember what you're thankful for this holiday.
Well, we're gonna gobble on out of here. Gobble, gobble, gobble.